Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to sign up for a hosting account and choose a hosting plan that supports Node.js. Look for their business or cloud hosting options, as these give you the flexibility you need for backend applications. Make sure to select a plan with adequate RAM and processing power for your project needs. Step 2. Next, you'll need to access your hosting control panel, typically through cPanel. From there, navigate to the Node.js section where you can create a new Node.js application. You'll specify your application root and point it to your main entry file, usually called server.js or index.js. Step 3. Now it's time to upload your project files. You can use the file manager in cPanel or connect via SFTP with credentials provided by Hostinger. Upload your entire project directory, including your package.json file which lists all your dependencies. Step 4. Before your app runs, you need to install your Node modules. Connect to your server via terminal or SSH and run npm install to download all the packages specified in your package.json file. This is crucial for your backend to function properly. Step 5. Finally, restart your Node.js application through the cPanel interface to apply all changes. Monitor the error logs if something isn't working, and make sure your environment variables are properly configured. Your Node.js backend should now be live and accessible to the world.